Where do you live? Hi, Mike. Where do you live?
Hi, Anna. I live in Phnom Penh.
Oh, really? Do you like living there?
Yes, I do. I really like it.
How long have you lived in Phnom Penh?
I have lived here for 3 years.
That's nice. Which part of the city do you live in?
I live near the city center.
Is your home close to your work?
Yes, it is. It takes about 15 minutes.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment.
Is your apartment comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
How many rooms does it have?
It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, and a kitchen.
That sounds nice. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my brother.
Is your brother younger than you?
Yes, he is 2 years younger than me.
Do you have any neighbors?
Yes, I have many friendly neighbors.
Do you know them well?
Yes, we often talk together.
What do you like about your neighborhood?
I like that it is quiet and clean.
Are there any shops near your home?
Yes, there are many shops nearby.
Is there a supermarket close to you?
Yes, there is a supermarket 5 minutes away.
That's very convenient.
Yes, it makes shopping easy.
Is there a park near your home?
Yes, there is a small park nearby.
Do you often go to the park?
Yes, I go there in the evening.
What do you usually do there?
I usually walk and listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel relaxed.
Is your neighborhood busy?
It is busy during the day, but quiet at night.
Do you like living in a busy city?
Yes, because there are many things to do.
Would you like to live somewhere else someday?
Maybe. I would like to live near the beach.
That sounds wonderful.
Yes, I love the sea and fresh air. What about you, Anna? Where do you live?
I live in a small town outside the city.
Do you like living in a small town?
Yes, I love it because it is peaceful.
Is your town far from the city?
No, it is only about 30 minutes away.
Do you have a nice view from your home?
Yes, I can see trees and green fields.
That sounds beautiful.
It is, and I really enjoy living there.
It sounds like we both like our homes.
Yes, home is always a special place.